Good afternoon from the Southwest Florida International Airport. My name is Connor and welcome back to another Nix Aviation trip report. Today I'll be flying with Delta Airlines on board their Boeing 757-200 up to Atlanta in Main Cabin Preferred. Now, Main Cabin Preferred isn't actually an advertised seating class by Delta, but it can be found on the seat map. These seats offer extra perks such as extra legroom and ease of access to the aisle while being in Main Cabin. They are offered for free to SkyMiles Medallion members or those who have purchased G, B, and M fares. As someone who doesn't fit any of those categories, I paid $9 for the upgrade when it became available 45 days before check-in. So with all that out of the way, let's get right to it.
I have your attention, please. Due to increased security, all passengers must present.
My flight this morning is Delta Airlines Flight 479 with nonstop service to Atlanta, which is scheduled to depart Gate C4 at 1:29 p.m. RSW has always been a beautiful airport in my opinion, and I've flown in and out of here many times. It has a nice welcome to Florida feel to it that other Floridian airports tend to lack, Orlando being one of those, which you'll see in an upcoming video. There are multiple food options and lots of amenities among the gate areas, such as high-speed Wi-Fi, TVs for entertainment, power outlets, and lots of windows. Plane spotting is super easy here, and the traffic diversity means there is a lot to see. Here we are at Gate C4. Boarding is scheduled for 12:49 p.m. And here is my aircraft for this hour and 15-minute flight. Arriving from Atlanta, November 670 Delta November is a 31-year-old Boeing 757-232, marked as a 75D. Delta assigns different letters to certain aircraft based on their cabin layout. This aircraft was delivered new to Delta in 1992. Delta's 75Ds have a 3-class 199-seat layout, with 20 seats in first class, 29 in Comfort Plus, and 150 in Main Cabin. My seat for this flight is 21A, just forward of the left engine. These Main Cabin seats are 17 inches wide and feature 31 inches of pitch. The seatback has a small pocket, which was disgusting, as well as 2 larger pockets. The tray table is large, clean, and does extend. There is also an in-flight entertainment screen at every seat on board the aircraft, which has become the standard for all mainline Delta aircraft. Above is a very clean overhead panel. There are also power outlets at every seat. And now, as the jetway leaves and the safety demo begins, we begin our pushback, leading to an on-time departure from runway 24.
Why don't you use mine, and I'll use these. Okay. I'm gonna put mine on today.
moments we anticipate, where things move a little faster, and sometimes much slower. There's an energy in the air. It's excitement, reunion, and renewal. But as we settle
In
into
addition to any crew member's instructions, smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes, or any smokeless product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying Russian smoke detectors.
There are 10 exits on this plane, 6 doors in front, and adjust securely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest.
Card, which is in your seat pocket.
As we come through the cabin for our final safety check, please let us know if you have any questions. Now, as we get ready...
Now that we've reached our cruise altitude of 36,000 feet, let's go over what's available on board this flight. First of all, Delta's IFE is packed with different entertainment options. It has a large selection of movies, TV series, live TV channels, Spotify music, flight information, and more. Due to the expected turbulence on this flight, onboard service was simplified to just cookies and water. I had just eaten lunch before the flight, so I wasn't too bothered by this. At the time of filming, this aircraft was one of few in the Delta fleet being tested with new Viasat high-speed Wi-Fi. This new system, backed up by T-Mobile, provides fast and free full internet access to all Delta SkyMiles members. As of February 1st, this product is available on all mainline domestic flights in Delta's network. The plan is to have the whole fleet equipped with this new system by 2024. With that all out of the way, Please enjoy our descent into Atlanta, landing on runway 28. While it doesn't make much of a difference for a short flight like this one, I would recommend snagging the upgrade to main cabin preferred if it's available on longer flights. Usually being the barrier between main cabin and Comfort Plus means you get some extra legroom and extra seat back space. Also, at least on the 757, you are very close to the exit door, which means you get on and off the plane rather quickly. The new Viasat Wi-Fi is revolutionary and has never been seen before on the major airlines. Delta is always working to make the flight experience better for passengers, hence why I choose them normally over other airlines. Thank you so much for watching this trip report with Delta Airlines. I sincerely hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like the video if you enjoyed, and subscribe and click the notification bell if you haven't already. If you have any questions, concerns, or would like to share your experience on Delta 757, please feel free to start a conversation in the comments. Also be sure to check out my other social media channels via the links in the description. With that all out of the way, I'll see you all in the next video.